So this is the XAUUSD analysis for Tuesday, the 3rd of April. Now, let's just have a look what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So, here on the XAUUSD, and we've posted our highs, lower highs, strong progression here to the downside, formed a bit of a base, broke above the 1328, had strong progression to the upside, not much of a reaction around a 34.51. We just pretty much had a doji there, had the very strong progression here on the XAUUSD towards the next major level here marked out previously of 13.44.26. Pretty much had a perfect test of that level, traded slightly above it, nothing to be too concerned about. Our highs were actually 13.44.75, so about 49 cents above the 13.44.26. As I was saying, nothing to be too concerned about, from which we have seen the progression here to the downside, trading all the way down towards our 37.50. So we do have to be aware that we have found some resistance at 13.44.26, but we are seeing that bullish buy side momentum come into the market. So we've had a strong move upwards. We are seeing the bullish buy side momentum come into the market. So we do have to be aware of another test of that 13.44.26. And if we do break above the 13.44.26 and retest possibly of that level, if we do break and hold above that 13.44.26, we're then looking for progression towards the 13.57.22 while being aware of the 13.50 may just be a psychological level from which we could see. Previously we did see some consolidation here beneath the 13.50 level, so we do have to be aware of the fact that we could find some minor resistance there, but ultimately we're looking for prices to progress towards a very strong major level here of the 13.57, from which we did see strong sell side momentum previously, and we did see quite a bit of sell side momentum come into the market from there in 2017. Beyond 13.57, we're then looking for a move up towards that 13.61, a successful break from which we're looking for moves towards that 13.67.10. I don't anticipate price moving beyond 13.67.10, but beyond 13.67.10, we've got the highs of 2016 in around 13.75, marked out here in red. What we'll do now is we'll have a look at the daily chart just to see how price is developing here on the XAUUSD. So we've got the get the scale on here correct. We can see here. Gold has been in a bit of a range, as we can see here. So we've come down to the lower end of the trading range, found a strong bullish buy side momentum, retested a very key important level of 13.57, so strong progression here to the downside. Didn't quite get down towards the 13.20 major level, turned around at 13.22, 13.23, from which we did post a very strong bullish day on the 2nd of April, and we did see some sell side momentum coming to near the end of the day from that 13.44.26. So we'll see whether we do have that progression here to the downside, possibly finding support all the way down at 13.34.51 before seeing a retest of the old 13.44.26, successful break from which we're then looking for prices to progress toward that 13.57.22. And with that said, that wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.